Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm going to show you a little bit about point editing. I'm sure all of us have traced an image where we have this box that will not release because it is part of the inner part of the design or the image. So what we're going to do is first we're going to right click and release the compound. Then we're going to separate it. You want to grab the box because that's going to be the bigger piece. These pieces are all free floating right now, so you want to move this out of the way and regroup all of this together so that you're not moving individual pieces and getting them not lined up where they need to be. So we move this out of the way. There's no trouble with that. It's ready to go. This is our trouble piece. This is our piece that's going to give us all the problems. Because as you can see, when I click on this, there's nowhere to ungroup and there's nowhere to release the compound path. Because this back line, this back box, is actually part of this layer. So in order to make it not part of this layer anymore, we're going to have to edit some points. So you're going to come up here to your little mouse zoom and click on it. You're going to draw a box with the little magnifying glass around your spots that are trouble. Then you're going to double click and get your points. On this point right here, we're going to break the path, grab the little red dot and move it out of our way. And the same down here. We're going to break the path, bring it all, drag it over here out of the way. And then you're going to grab these two little red ones and pull them together. Okay? They've snapped together. That point is fixed. Okay? Then you're going to zoom out and you're going to come over here to the T over here. It's also got a little break right here and a connection. So again, you're going to use the mouse zoom in on that. So it makes it nice and big so you can see what you're working with. You're going to double click so you get your edit points. You're going to click on one of these little gray squares here. That's perfect. You're going to break the path on that. Drag it out of your way. You got to drag the right one out of your way. Okay, they snapped back together there. You're going to have to break the path again. And then pull this little guy out of the way. Now you're going to click here on this end. And we want to break the path again. And again, we're going to pull this little guy out of our way. And I usually snap them back together so that way they're just one piece to delete. Here in just a second, you'll see. And you will snap those back together. Now, it caused a little bit of a thing there, so you just pull it out, and it makes it nice and straight again. All right, now, on to our next area. This area gave me the most trouble. I'm going to delete or back out of it just a little bit zoom-wise. Use your slider bar. This spot right here gave me the most trouble, because there's so many pieces in such a tight little spot. So again, we zoomed in. We're going to click right here and break the path. And then we're going to click right here and break the path. Now we're going to grab this one and slide it over there to connect with that one. This little guy back here, see what I mean? It connects itself back together, so we have to break it again. Move that out of the way. This one down here again. We're going to break the path. Move this out of our way. Right here. Break path. Move it out of our way. Connect these two guys together here. Then we're going to come up here and we're going to break the path. Move it out of our way. We're going to come right here, and this one is already, I believe, no, it snapped itself again. Looks like, oh no, it's still broken. There we go. Move that one back up straight, so we have a nice line there. Now, on these here, let me do this again real quick. We're going to click on this guy here, and we're going to break the path, drag this out of the way, Oh, there we go. And now we're going to come back and drag this one up out of our way. That's our box on the outside. We don't want that there, obviously. So we're going to get rid of it in just 1 second. Okay, so on these little stray guys right here, you're going to push on here and you're going to delete the point, and then again delete the point, and those are gone now. They're not there anymore. And the same with the next one. Delete the point. And now we're going to come up here and snap these together. And now we've fixed all of our problem spots. We're going to zoom back out, and click outside so we don't have our points anymore. Now we're going to click on the whole thing. It's still one piece, so you're going to click on it until you get the big box. Right click, release the compound path once again. Click on this on the outside. Click on your box, right click, delete, and there you go. Now this is all ungrouped still because we released the path. So we're going to go back in, regroup it, and boom, there we have it. Now, when we pull this in and put it back where it was, you have your complete ready to cut 2 pieces. Okay? I hope that helped everyone. If you have any questions, just feel free to post in the group and any one of us will try to help you with it. Okay? Have a good day, guys.